Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ramp for corporate card management workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the Ramp website URL and press enter. Once the Ramp homepage loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields to enter your email and password. Input your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your Ramp dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the available features. From the dashboard, locate the Corporate Card Management section. Click on this section to access your card management workflows. Here, you can view all your corporate cards and their details. To add a new card, look for the Add Card button, usually displayed prominently on the page. Follow the prompted instructions to input the card details. For managing existing cards, select the card you wish to edit. You can adjust spending limits or change other settings as needed. To track expenses, navigate to the Expenses section of your dashboard. Here, you can review transaction history and categorize expenses accordingly. If you need assistance, check the Support or Help section for resources. Once you complete your tasks, remember to log out for security purposes. To log out, locate your profile icon, typically in the top right corner. Click on the icon, and select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and managed your corporate card workflows on Ramp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.